Are you feeling sick and want to see a doctor? Then, walk-in is an option for you. But with unexpected delays, you may end up waiting for hours. Or, there is another option. If you don't want to waste time waiting in a lobby, especially when you are feeling sick, visit our website, www.drumc.com. Click on Appointment button to reserve your spot. Appointment page contains address, phone number, fax number. Now skip the wait with Dr. Urgent Medical Care's new online appointment feature. Just make an appointment and relax at home. We will inform you before your appointment time. Select your age group. Are you adult or pediatric? Now type in patient first name and last name. Choose the time you would like to come in. We will hold your spot. Type in your phone number. We will send you confirmation text on that number. Type in your date of birth and select your gender. Now click on checkbox. Click on Confirm Me button to finish. You will receive a confirmation text on your phone. You will receive another text message when it's time to show up. DUMC has achieved accreditation through the Urgent Care Association, UCA. We provide these services: adult and pediatrics, illness, physical exams, injuries, women's health, ultrasound and echo, x-rays, vaccines, laboratory tests and screening.